In this video, I'll guide you through the quick and easy process of creating a DeepSeek AI account. We'll begin by opening the DeepSeek app on either an iPhone or Android device, which will take us to the login page. At the bottom, you'll find options to sign in using your Google or Apple account, allowing for a fast setup by linking one of these accounts. If you'd rather not use these options, you can create a DeepSeek account manually by selecting the Sign Up option. Depending on your region, you'll be prompted to enter either a phone number or an email address. I'll choose to enter my email and set a password for the account. After that, the app will send a verification code to my email or phone number to confirm my identity. You'll also need to complete a quick puzzle to verify that you're not a robot. Once that's done, check your email for the verification code, enter it into the app, and tap Sign Up to complete the process. Now, you're logged into your DeepSeek account and ready to start using the app, just like ChatGPT or Gemini. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video and subscribe to Techful Things for more DeepSeek tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.